Hi, my name is Mahesh and I am co-founder of a company called P-1. Our company build trading and investment management software for mostly B2B clients. There is a very specific reason that I have decided to start this YouTube channel. One of the conversation that we get into when we talk to these potential clients, um, one question I get all the time is, do you eat your own cooking? Or if I may say, do you use your own data to make decisions? So I decided to start this YouTube channel where I will be sharing my screen. I will be uh, showing my brokerage account, which I funded recently, and I will be buying and selling stocks, and I will show some of the positions that I recently got into, and the decision behind it, the thought process behind it. I will show our own data and how I'm reading it and how I'm looking at it. So everything I will talk about in these videos. By the way, I am not a stock trader or an investment professional. So I'm a tech entrepreneur who just love stock market. So going forward, as I said, I will be creating these videos where I'll be sharing my brokerage account, and if there is a some opportunity that pops up where I get a chance to do a live trade during these calls, I will be doing that. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please support me, like my videos, share my videos. So today, as you can see on my screen here, I'm sharing my Fidelity Brokerage account. Um, in last few weeks, when I made this decision to, hey, let's start this process, let's record my videos. So okay, then I decided, okay, let's start. I saw some good opportunities and I started buying some stocks, and I'll just show my account, and also I'll show the data why I decided to buy those stocks and why at those prices. uh, One thing I always remind to myself, I want to keep my emotions in check, which are not good when you are doing stock trading, by the way. So let's just get into it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to these my positions here. Let me see. Okay, so I'll start with lending tree. So this particular stock, as you see, I just started from this stock. My cost basis is around. Let me try to see if I can draw here. Okay, my cost basis is $244. Um, Actually, my cost basis per share is $244, and I bought 20 stocks. Um, right now, the price is around $278, and I'm glad it's going this way. So let me just showcase our data, and I'll tell you why I made this decision. So going to, okay, right here. All right. So I'll give a demo of our software in some another video. So right now I'll just come directly to these signals that we generate. So let's start with lending tree. Right. All right. so so what we have built is we build a system leveraging artificial intelligence which can essentially gauge market irrationalities. What does that mean? Essentially, we are able to pinpoint for each asset um, essentially good buying and selling opportunities. I know it sounds very simple, but actually it took us over 4 to 5 years to build this whole system. So here I saw that this blue represent, I would say when I will not think about buying, I will in fact think about selling if I am in a position, and these red zones, I will call them buying zone personally. And you see this yellow line here, this is an oscillator, and the key thing about this oscillator is it's derived from our own data. We leverage behavioral finance to build this. It is very unique, no one has it. And what I look for is those turning point. If it is like moving from up to down, I will be looking to sell, and if it is turning from bottom to up, I will be looking to buy. So essentially I bought close to December 7th, and what was my, so I was able to get at $244, and I saw that it's a red zone. It started going up. So as you can see that right now the price is going up, and few things I also look at when I make a decision. Of course I trust my own data, but I also want to make sure that I do some more due diligence. Especially I look at, I guess, if the company is healthy or not. So I look at its, I just use some websites to pull these numbers and this um, I would say my own due diligence. So I look at uh, you know their 10K 10Q statements, make sure the company is healthy, it doesn't have a lot of debt. Then I also kind of look at what other analysts are saying. See, if the whole market is saying that this stock or this particular company is going to underperform, and if I'm trying to go against them, that's not wise. So I also try to look for whether what's the kind of price target for um, this company, like in this case lending tree, what other analysts are saying. And of course that's not how I make decision, but this is good to see that they are saying good thing that the price gonna go up. So my decision is I guess is not a bad decision. So I decided to buy the stock right here at $241. And now the second one, which is apparently doing very good, the Splunk. Okay, so I bought this stock. Let's see if I can draw here again. All right. So I bought at $160, and the last price is around $185. And when I bought it on, I guess, 16th, probably a week ago, last week I guess. Same thing with the other one I bought on 7th. So you see the average length of my position. It's not like I'm doing day trading or anything. I am buying it, and my average position holding period may go from few weeks to even sometime months. At least that's what we have seen is happening with our data. So it's definitely built for someone, I guess, like me, who doesn't want to sit in front of computer all day and look at the price charts and worry about it. I have a day job. I run the company, and I don't want to become a full-time trader, I guess. So this is good. The next one, let me show you I guess for Splunk. Alright, so again, as I said, I saw the red zone, I saw the oscillator coming down and kind of starting to creep back creep back up. So I decided to buy, and apparently it's a great point, like $160, and in 1 week it's up what, 15%, not bad. REGN, it's a pharmaceutical company. Personally, I don't like pharmaceutical companies because I feel like they are driven more by news. But I decided to take a plunge, and I bought 4 shares, $2,000 at $497. The company is really good. The company's profits are good, good cash on the books, and even when I researched what other analysts are saying, no one is telling to sell. I mean, again, I am not basing my decisions based on those guys, but I take those data points as something that support my decision to buy or sell, right? So H&R Block, again, great company. 2020 was apparently not a great year for them, um, but I feel like I may see the price going to between $18 to $20 in next few months. Tax season is starting, and the company is great. I mean, the company is doing well in terms of tax filing and preparation and all that. They have recently bought another financial company called Wave, and I thought that was a very good decision, and I think they have their head at the right place, and I think they will do better even in the long term. But this stock is, I'm not expecting that it will go, you know 30, 40, $50 in the near future. But is there room to go up? Yes. So that was the main reason I bought HNR Block. I mean, I look at our data, search here for HNR Block. So let me see. Yeah, so see, you start seeing these red zones. You do a little bit more research, and again, I am not a professional trader, and I feel like some of the more experienced traders or investors may do better than me. I'm just a guy who know how to read financial statements, and just I believe in my own gut feeling, and I look at the data, I trust the data, and that's how I'm making my decisions. So HNR Block, great buy at, I got in at 14.99, um, uh, you know, and right now it's at 15.46. I'm net positive, and I feel like, as I said, it may go up to $18 to $19 probably in next few months based on my analysis. The next one I have it here is Salesforce. By the way, I love it. They bought Slack recently. I thought it was a great move. I mean, I use Slack, within our company. We use Slack. I know a lot of companies, a lot of business owners, they use Slack. Um, and and I think what Salesforce has today, and Slack literally sitting on top as, I guess, a communication layer, or literally a way to make life easy for the sales guys. I think it's a huge step. When they bought Slack, they went down. I mean, you know, um, and uh, and as I said, in our software here, um, I saw some good opportunities. You see, I saw the red zone. I saw the price coming down. I mean, it was what 257 before the news, and I got in around, like, my average position is $222, and I think I may hold this stock. And of course, I'm gonna look at the data before I make the decision to sell. But I feel like it may go up till, I guess, $280, $290, or even more. But again, as long as I'm making right decisions, I'm getting at a good price, that's good enough for me. As I said, I'm not a trader. I don't sit in front of computer all day. I just love to look at my portfolio, make sure that there are no red flags. Otherwise, even the small pullbacks happen someday, I don't bother. I just, uh, do my work and just forget about it. And once I will see that, I start seeing those sell regions, then I may, execute and sell. And I will show you guys, how I'm doing in coming months, in coming weeks. I'm planning to record these videos every week, and hopefully I will have some more good content in near future. And the next and last one, I want to show you is Best Buy. Great company. They have a lot of cash. I mean, in COVID especially, what I loved about them is how quickly they change their business. I mean, you see their store. Their whole model is, um, you know, the physical stores. Yes, they have e-commerce website. They are, focusing a lot on that. But how they pivoted in 2020, I thought it was amazing. And again, this is a stock where personally, I see that I got in at what, um, average is $103. I thought I could have made a better use of, you know stop limits when you buy these shares. But apparently, I just bought it, I guess, at market price at that time. But again, it's not a bad decision. It's not up a lot, but I feel like in coming months it will do well. I'm not planning to hold on to this stock for a long time. Hopefully, in next few weeks or months, I may sell it based on where it's at. So, as I said, guys, my goal is not to give any suggestions here. I'm not a trader. I am not an investment professional. I just wanted to showcase how I am using my own data to make these decisions to buy and sell stocks. And in coming weeks, coming months, um, I will be again sharing my screen. I will be, showing where I am with my portfolio, whether it is going up or, hopefully not down. But I will be buying and selling more and more, and showcasing you my journey, how I'm using our own software to make decisions, how I am looking at more data points um, to support my decisions. And um, you know hopefully you guys can enjoy these videos, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share these videos. I will see you soon, and thank you for watching.